Is a website responsible for defamatory content if it includes an editorial? A standard user-generated content platform allows the user to be the sole creator, editor, and poster. However, when the website itself editorializes parts of the post, then there is an issue. The online platform relies on the broad immunity pursuant to Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act in order to not be liable for any defamatory content posted by any of the users. There are exceptions to this immunity. For instance, the website will lose its immunity when it edits the content and materially alters the meaning of the post. In order for the platform to maintain immunity pursuant to the CDA, there must be a clear distinction between the author of the submitted post and an editorial remark. The individual poster who submits the content to the platform does not have any immunity and may still always be liable for defamation. That's why it's important to work with an experienced attorney, because we can pursue these legal actions to protect your rights and get you compensation for the harm that has resulted.